Have you ever seen a water sprout? Well, this is a water sprout that was seen in Lake Bunyonyi, which is the deepest lake in Uganda, and this one was just seen in Russia. So what exactly is happening? Is the world ending? To be honest, I don't know, but what I know is that water sprout formation typically occurs when cold air moves across the Great Lakes and results in large temperature differences between the warm air and the overriding cold air. Some water sprouts actually have the same characteristics as a land tornado, and if a water sprout moves on shore, then the National Weather Service issues a tornado warning, as some of them can cause significant damage and injuries to people, as can be seen here. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is a new fear unlocked.